everyone, it's time for Phonics with Mrs Furryboots. Look what I've got here. I've got bread and butter. Bread and butter start with the same sound. They start with the B sound. B for bread, one syllable, and butter, butter. Butter has two syllables. Bread and butter. Bread and butter. Let's have a listen to some more things that start with the B sound. We've got banana. How many syllables? Banana. 3. We've got bells, one syllable. All these bells sound different, don't they? Bells. Bubbles. Bubbles, 2 syllables. Blue, the colour blue, 1 syllable. Birds, 1 syllable. Box, 1 syllable. Bottle, got 2 syllables. Bears, 1 syllable. Bucket, got 2 syllables. And ball. Ball has got 1 syllable. So all of these things start with the B sound. Look around your house and you'll find lots of things that start with the B sound. My boots. My boots start with the B sound. Let's get our magic fingers in the air. It's an ascender. So we go top to bottom, reverse up halfway, boop, 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 and around. Again, top to bottom, reverse halfway, beep, 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 and round. Will we try some on the board? So there is the B is the name and B is the sound. Top to bottom, reverse half up and round. Top to bottom, reverse half the way up and round. Top to bottom, halfway up and round. I wonder if I can think of a song that would go with my B sound. Let me look in my book. Book starts with the B sound. Book. And in my book, I have found a nursery rhyme about a sailor called Bobby Shaftoe. You probably know this song. Bobby Shaftoe has gone to sea. Silver buckles on his knee. He'll come back and marry me. Bonny Bobby Shaftoe. Bobby Shaftoe's gone to sea.